Today I'm taking a look at the Superglide Premium Glass Mouse Pad. Okay, so they definitely cared about packaging, which is excellent. And put some double stick on there so it wouldn't be sliding around. And there is the mouse pad. That is a nice white frosted look. Frosted is important because if we take a look at this piece right here, this is also glass, but if I put a mouse on here, the laser is just going to go down and bounce right back up. It is not going to be able to track at all. So this frosted look is going to allow that mouse to track and track very accurately. Now, more importantly than that, this one can slide around. The Superglide is actually fully coated with this rubber mat. So you can see on there all those nice little bumps. Each one of those is going to make a point of contact, and it is literally covering the entire mat, which is a substantial large piece of glass, even longer than my display glass, which is surprising. So we've got 38.5 by 16.5. So this is the extra large version. With this, you're going to be able to put your keyboard and your mouse on it. If you wanted to, you could use the entire thing for your mouse. That would be a little ridiculous, but you do have the capacity. Most importantly, the keyboard and the mouse will be on the exact same plane. We can see if we look at the edges, these are nice curved edges, and these are also beveled edges, nice and rounded right here, so we're not going to have to worry about cutting our fingers. So really appreciate that. Really like that look on there as well. So if you got a white computer with like white internals and everything like that, and you really like that white look, this is definitely going to look good with your setup. But on top of that, it's going to be super easy to clean. If you consider a lot of mouse pads, most mouse pads, they have a tendency to want to like collect grime and muck, especially if you've been eating Cheetos or anything like that. With this, you can literally just wipe that off. It is actually glass. So this will help to give you an idea of the size we're looking at. This is a 13-inch laptop, 16 by 10. So not a very large laptop, but at the same time, this makes that look even smaller. There is a ton of room on this guy if you prefer having a lot of real estate for your mouse. Okay, wow. Yeah, that is tracking absolutely beautifully. So if I was to put that on the regular glass, you can see it just kind of barely tracks it, not very well at all. On here, that is that's sliding on glass. That is a very nice mouse pad. Okay, so I'm just going to do a little aim test exercise. Sweet. All right, got a 560 on that. That is definitely not bad at all. Yeah, that is a super good feeling mouse pad. In this room, I don't have to use a mouse pad very often, but if I am testing a mouse, I usually have to pull out one of these guys just because of the tracking that's on the glass. But of course, the problem with that, when we roll this guy out, it just doesn't want to stay flat no matter what I do. And the way I usually accommodate that is I usually just put stuff on top of it, but it's never going to lay flat. And I can't take the thing and like stand it up against the wall. Too flexible for that. With this, all those problems go away. There is no way that this guy is going to curl. It is literally glass. I can take that, I can stand it up against the wall, pull it out whenever I need it. Although I'm probably not going to do that. I'm probably going to throw this thing on my main desk just because that is so much nicer than I was expecting. Just the overall quality of the feel of the mouse. This is going to be my main mouse pad. I might actually just get a second one for down here. So I started using this as my main mouse pad. This thing is absolutely gigantic. This is a full keyboard and it's still got plenty of room on both sides. It's kind of surprising. I've got my old mouse pad over there. That is the one that I was using. That is still a fairly high-end mouse pad, but as I'm using this thing, like the responsiveness of that, it is unparalleled. It is. I'm surprised I didn't know about this sooner, just because of how much better this mouse pad is than any other mouse pad I've ever tried. This is definitely my main mouse pad. If anything ever happens to it, I'm getting another one just like it.